back. You probably heard of walking tacos. But what about walking cheesecake? It may sound kind of strange, but we got a social media superstar with us. Stefan Johnson joins us this morning. Tell us about it. Super delicious, and he's going to show us how to make one. But you've been here before.
I have.
And so now you're back because you're a superstar.
Not a superstar. I'm talking, not you.
No, you are. Now let's talk about, before we get into the recipe, which clearly is very easy. Talk a little bit
TV
about
magic.
This guy.
We
He knows what
have
he's doing.
one ready for your sample right here, and I have a spoon for you as well.
He has a spoon.
There we go. You know, I thought of
Stefan.
everything. We had to, you know.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Oh yeah, you got. It's almost like an ice cream element as well. You know. And I will partake as well with you because this might as well be breakfast, right?
This is
You know,
fantastic.
You know, it's just cheesecake. You know what I
This is
mean?
cheesecake.
It's cheesecake, so simple. 3, 4, 5 ingredients. You know, as few, as many as you want. And I'm gonna actually go a little gutter with mine. We're gonna go straight from the bag with me.
Oh, straight. You didn't tell me we're going straight from the bag.
Get gutter with it. Get gutter with it. There we go. Delicious.
So good.
Delicious. I'm saying.
What do we do now?
We just enjoy life.
Oh.